Which ancient structure is located in Giza, Egypt? The Great Pyramid. Who is known for painting the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Au. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Pacific Ocean. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What is the capital city of Japan? Tokyo. What is the process of water turning into vapor? Evaporation. Which famous explorer discovered America in 1492? Christopher Columbus. What is the highest mountain peak in Africa? Mount Kilimanjaro. What is the name of the currency used in Europe? Euro. What is the largest organ of a plant used to make food? Leaf. What force keeps planets orbiting the Sun? Gravity. How many sides does a hexagon have? Six. What is the national animal of Australia? Kangaroo. In what year did the Second World War end? (1945). What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? (100°). What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. Which gas do humans breathe out? Carbon dioxide. Who wrote the famous play Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. What is the chemical symbol for table salt? NaCl. What is the process where plants make their own food? Photosynthesis. What is the name of the famous clock tower in London? Big Ben. What is the main source of light and heat for Earth? The sun. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. What famous wall was built to protect China? The Great Wall. What is the name of the body of water between Europe and Africa? Mediterranean Sea. Which famous scientist developed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond. Which musical instrument has both black and white keys? Piano. What is the main function of the Earth's ozone layer? Protecting from UV rays. What is the official language of Brazil? Portuguese. What is the largest number of known continents? Seven. Which famous statue stands in New York Harbor? The Statue of Liberty. What type of celestial body is the moon? Natural satellite. What is the name of the galaxy that contains Earth? Milky Way. What is the common name for the phenomenon of aurora borealis? Northern Lights. What is the chemical symbol for the element water? H2O. Which gas makes up the majority of Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. What is the capital city of Russia? Moscow. Which animal is the largest mammal in the world? Blue whale. What is the term for a word that sounds the same but has a different meaning? Homophone. What famous art movement included artists like Monet and Renoir? Impressionism. What geometric shape has all sides equal and four right angles? Square. What is the main function of the heart in a human? Pumping blood. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? Pound sterling. Which famous historical person was the first Roman emperor? Augustus. What is the unit of measure for electric current? Ampere. Which famous document starts with the words, "We the people"? U.S. Constitution. What is the deepest point in the Earth's oceans? Mariana Trench. What is the largest land animal on Earth? African elephant. Which American president delivered the Gettysburg Address? Abraham Lincoln. What is the collective name for a group of lions? Pride. What is the largest country in the world by land area? Russia. What famous war took place between the years 1914 and 1918? World War I. What is the process of a caterpillar turning into a butterfly? Metamorphosis. What is the main ingredient in the spirit drink, vodka? Potatoes. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. What is the closest star to Earth besides the Sun? Proxima Centauri. What is the common term for a large electrical storm? Thunderstorm.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.